there's nothing to help. Watch me make one by one. Count my
I don't know how I was automatically logged in, but just log in for day 17. I'm gonna get caught up and I'll try not to miss any more days. Oh, we got gifts! Yo, this is so exciting. Okay, what is it? 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 I'm so excited. Okay, we have Oh, what is that? That's cool. Give me a minute. It hurts me every time I have to recycle things, but sometimes you have to do what you need to do. What is that? That is also cool. I assume these are like member items though, so I wouldn't be able to wear them, but still. Okay, let's go to Crystal Sands. We have a pathway. That's really cool. You could probably buy a bunch of those and put them together. But yeah, those are the items. I'll get membership back eventually and then I can wear them. But yeah, let's go to my Exploding Christmas Den and add in this pathway, which I probably won't be able to pick up. Okay, well, I can't grab it, but yeah, it's right there. So, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment if you can, and we'll see you later. Bye.